If you're experiencing frame stuttering in FIFA 24, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help increase your frame rate and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Enable VSync. In the graphics settings, enable VSync if it is not already turned on. This feature helps to synchronize the frame rate of the game with your monitor's refresh rate, which can reduce tearing and stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to performance issues. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your PC meets or exceeds the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like your RAM, CPU, or GPU to improve performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience with reduced frame stuttering. Enjoy your time on the pitch.